Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna take care of the headlight. It is already painted, as you can see, and I'm going to reinstall it. I'm also gonna take care of the wiring, try to do everything so I can start the bike. So enjoy the video, sit back and relax. Here is the original harness. I'm going to label every wire to know where they're supposed to go and see which one I can eventually get rid of. So here I ran the wires for the front coil, the fan and the headlight. So I got 2 wires for the coil, 1 wire for the fan and 2 wires for the headlight. So it goes all the way through the bone. So unfortunately, I don't know if you can see it here, but all those wire that doesn't fit in a fake oil tank. It's too much wire. So what I'm going to do is reduce the length of those wires so I might have enough room. So here it is after I cut the wire a few inches from both boxes. Much less wire. Definitely you can see what I was able to get rid of. So hopefully that will work. I'm still gonna solder a couple that I'm sure, you know, they're supposed to be together. For the other one that are labeled, I'm gonna have to install it in a bike and just tie them together and see that work. Here I'm using those connectors that have solder in them. They also have a heat shrink, so it produces a waterproof connection, and the solder will melt with your regular heat gun. Very nice. First time using it, and I'm very pleased with. You can find in the description below the link where to find those. And again, yeah, very useful, better than the crimp connector. here I'm gonna put the ground. The ground comes from the headlight, and it goes with it's connected together with the ground from the fan, and I'm gonna install it on a front coil mounting. Okay, so almost done with the wiring. Still have the taillight wired, and that should be it. Next, I'm gonna have to sand around the fake oil tank to be able to put the cap, and especially being able to pull it off if I need, because put it in is one thing, but when it's stuck, you can't really take it off. So I have to sand the primer that I put around, so I can take it off, and I will probably put some anti-seize so it doesn't get stuck or whatever.
And sisters, but today is today.
Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will put in the description below the link of all the stuff that I use, heat shrink and wire load, polish or whatever, all that stuff. So, alright, see you in the next video. Hopefully we'll start the bike. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.